Hi, my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soul Yoga. Hi, welcome. We are outside tonight. I made it. Oh, God, it is absolutely stunning. This is our first day that we had this week that has been absolutely gorgeous. So I just got home from work. How is everyone? I am so excited to be here. Just a little heads up. I'm going to talk. Hang on, time out. Yeah. Hi again, I'm back. Sorry, we had a little bit of a blip. Hubby came home and we were just talking to one of our good friends who's having surgery on Monday. So we needed to wish him some well wishes, and we just want to say a little prayer for him. And we're excited because we're going to go visit them, and they live all the way out in Rhode Island. So I'm very excited about that. So I got my tea. I actually put it in a clear, look at this, I put it in a clear cup. But anyway, how is everybody? Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here. Delicious. I went to work today. It was busy, and I'm just glad I'm home, and I'm glad I'm here and I'm present and I'm doing my show with you all. So I apologize for the little bit of noise in the back. Our neighbor is, you can hear the banging. They have this huge garage. It's like a 4-car garage with like I guess the prior owner was a collector, and long story short, he stored his cars in it. Now they're taking that and they're transforming it into like a I want to say like a house, another house there for one of their relatives to live. Very nice. So that's on that end. So, but today was a busy day, and I'm here and I'm very excited to be here. We're gonna do some breath movements, and I have on a new one piece. So these are in my link as well. All right, how's that? Better? All right, yeah, a lot better. So, got my tea. I couldn't wait to be here. I just couldn't wait to like be outside, finally this warm day, and do some breathing. And, oh gosh, oh yeah, but what else? So I was at work today. We started sanding our deck down, so we have a lot to do. Hopefully we're supposed to get a lot of rain this weekend, so I'm not looking forward to that. So I think that's going to put our getting the patio furniture out on hold a little bit, so that's going to be a bummer. I get all excited that can't wait to get the yard set up. And Molly is out. She's out by the barn with Pablo, and I think he's giving her a nice little brush. So maybe we'll see her on Saturday. Also wanted to let everybody know I have a new video coming out on Saturday evening on my, oh my God, on Patreon. I was gonna call it Planetar. I don't know, my husband calls it Planetar. So funny. So I apologize. It's on Patreon. And everything's in my link below, and this is also linked, and that's pretty much it. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing, and coming to my channel, following me, seeing where I live. I'm happy to show it to everybody. And I guess we'll get started with a little. Oops, sorry. No, let's turn it that way. There we go. Let's do a little breath. Okay, we're going to inhale. Exhale. It's good to take in that fresh air. It even makes you a little lightheaded. I love it. We're gonna start on all fours. And we're gonna do a little hip movement. Oh, the lower back today was killing me, so. All right, and then we're gonna do some cat-cow. Nice and tall. And head up. And cat. And cat. Oh, and cross your legs and down. Oh, and stretch it out. Reach. Oh, now we're going to do a little. We are going to tip and down. Oh, come on up. Woo. Very good. Oh, God, that was amazing. We are going to do the other side. It's so good just to move any way you can. And like I said, this is just like a little slow beginners, you know, for the 50 club. Listen, I feel like I'm in the prime of my life right now. So for me to do this and show you what I've learned over the years and how I've kept up with my yoga and my breathing is just what I like to do, and I want to teach you and introduce you to my world. Okay, here we go again. Okay, and we're gonna round it out and stretch it and head up. And up and down. Okay. We did that. We're gonna work this baby. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. Come up. And down. Oh my God. That was so good. Oh, let me just fix that. Okay, I'm back. Whew. Amazing. How good did that feel? Just a little. And we're gonna reach over. And we're gonna reach over. We are going to open and stretch. And stretch it. Yep, and go down. Far down. So, what has everybody got going on tonight? I am broiling chicken and some potatoes for a light dinner tonight. I tried not to eat a lot of carbs, as you know, everybody says not to do, but and so broiled chicken and potatoes and that's it, and a little veggie, and we're good. And tomorrow I have work, so that's gonna be fun. What else do I want to talk about today? So I'm a little upset about like I said, the weather this weekend. So I am going to probably train inside, and you know, we'll have to do an inside session. All right, so let's get on. All right, now we get up on our tippy toes and we stay like that. Hi. It's a little complicated to do prayer pose, but if we could stay like that, that's so great. Oh. I love doing everything on the mat, and you all know that. And if anybody is new to my page, thank you for showing up today. Oh yeah, we're gonna stretch that up as high as you can, and down. Yep. These are just, if you can't go all the way up, and you could just, you know, even if it's a bend, that's fine. But if you could stretch that out and just get it up, working the back our hamstrings, and we put it down. Oh, yeah. So anyway, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has joined me, and I just wanted to get out here and see everybody. Just wanted to be in my nature where I feel so grounded, and you know, this is my jam. You all know that. Like, I love being outside. So, and the summer is coming, and we're going to be doing more classes and surprise pop-up areas, and so that it should be fun. What else? I could show you. I'll turn this around. Whoop, we'll turn it around this way. I wanted to show you I love my windmill. Whoop. That baby. So anyway, and my tree is blooming. Everything is starting to come to fruition, and I'm just like so happy. And the birds are out, and we filled up the feeders, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm so glad you came, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.